A new program could soon be in place in Allen County to reduce the number of teens behind bars. It's called the Juvenile Detention Alternatives Initiative.
And it is designed to get kids out of jail and into programs for a brighter future. News Channel 15's Randy Spieth talked to the judge who's pushing for this program, and Randy joins us now with more.
Allen County Superior Court Judge Dan Heath says the county's juvenile center has seen its budget drop by $1 million in the last few years. This program relieves budget pressure and can reduce crime at the same time. Superior Court Judge Dan Heath works with youth at the Allen County Juvenile Center on a daily basis. That's why today he signed a letter of intent to bring the JDAI to Allen County to keep youth out of detention.
We do have some counseling programs, but we need more.
The JDAI would increase counseling programs and other alternatives rather than putting kids and teens in a jail cell.
Kids that are confined are more likely to commit crime than kids that are not confined. If we can channel them in other directions, not confinement, we could lower crime. Now, I don't want to make any wild claims about that. That's a difficult process.
Right now, Marion County is a part of the JDAI, and despite a larger population than Allen County, it detains on average 65 juveniles at a time. In Allen County, the average is between 95 and 100.
It could go down into the 60s, perhaps even more, depending on how successful we are.
A decrease in juveniles detained can save money.
Every time you detain a kid overnight, there's a cost associated with that. You have to have staff, food. Food costs are astronomical. Every time you lower that population, you're not feeding them as much. You don't have to have as many teachers.
Judge Heath says the state Supreme Court is pushing for more counties to join this program. Right now, 8 Indiana counties are part of it. Allen County should learn later this year if it will be approved to join. Randy Spieth, News Channel 15.